In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Google Contacts. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want the contacts to appear. It's a good idea to use a sheet that's either blank or clearly labeled for contacts, so nothing important gets overwritten. At the top menu, go to Extensions, open Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace, search for Sheet Director, select it, and install. When prompted, grant the permissions. These permissions allow the add-on to read your Google Contacts and write the results into your spreadsheet, which is necessary for the integration to work. Follow any on-screen prompts until installation is complete. Next, return to the sheet and go to Extensions again. Hover over Sheet Director and click Start. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This is your control panel for setting up the integration. From the list of available applications, in the sidebar, choose Google Contacts. You'll be asked to give a name to the list. Pick a clear descriptive name so you can recognize this configuration later. For example, something that reflects the sheet or the purpose of the contact pull. Under Select Service, choose Get Contacts. This tells Sheet Director that you want to pull data from Google Contacts into your sheet. Now, in the Fields section, choose the contact details you want included, such as name and email, from the drop-down. You can add more fields if you need them, but selecting only what's relevant keeps your sheet tidy and easier to scan. The add-on will create matching columns for the fields you pick. Scroll to Destination Settings and select the Sheet tab where you want the data to sync. Double-check you are targeting the right tab, especially if your file has multiple sheets. When everything looks good, click Execute to run the service once. The add-on will fetch your Google Contacts and populate the selected sheet with the fields you chose. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a moment. When it's done, skim the headers and a few rows to confirm the data landed as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.